So these bulk tanks are operating, cooling down all the milk from those cows. And the liquid lines from these two compressors go into the building and actually go into a big holding tank. I'll show you what that looks like. So we've got an in and an out. This is really hot, and this is cool. This is really hot. Well, this is really hot, and this is cool. If I feel these water lines, this is the ingoing one, this is the outgoing one. This one's just cold, and this one's like probably over 100 degrees, pretty warm coming out of there. So I just replaced these fittings here on the bottom, and I'm refilling the tank, so there's tons of condensation forming on there. It's like 90 degrees out and humid today. But the old one was leaking really bad right there. Just spraying out of the out of the side of the fitting. So if we can thread this out and just replace this nipple here, maybe they can actually leave the free heater installed, which would be amazing, as you saw. And now it's got all brass to here, so it won't be corroding through nearly as fast. Probably this will outlast the heater, and then these could even be reused again. But lots of condensation from all the hot water all the water that's going to fill this tank and fill the hot water heater. So, but kind of an ingenious way, because you're essentially taking the milk heat, moving it with the heat pumps or refrigeration system, and then putting all that heat into the water that then goes and feeds the water heater. So very, very smart design, and I really like it. It's nice to keep it. These things are pretty expensive, but I bet they pay for themselves. You can keep them from getting a leak for about 8 or 10 years.